Nora's the first time in the Jolly Jumper. She's almost sure. Charlotte's helping her get excited, aren't you, Charlotte? Yeah, it's good. Hey, good girl, Nora. Thank you, Charlotte. That's excellent. She likes that ducky.
Come for it. Quacky quack. Quack quack.
Good girl. Uh-oh, we're gonna get stuck the other way. Oh, she's trying to make her way around. Good job. Hooray. Oh, she likes it. Good job. Yay. Charlotte, you want to say bye?
No.
No? Okay.